Welcome replay viewers, and good afternoon everybody. We're here at the Long Island Railroad Speonk Station here on December 30th, awaiting the arrival of train 2734 from Babylon, which is carrying a very good friend of ours for the holiday weekend. Thank you for joining. Ed, good to see you. I'm at Speonk Station. Train 2734 is arriving here in about 2 minutes time. We're here to pick up a friend of ours that's taking the train from New York City. Just in time for the holiday weekend. Thank you for joining, folks. We'll just watch this.
Ladies and gentlemen, the 12:27 p.m. to Speonk is operating on time.
Okay, he is too.
Ladies and gentlemen,
arriving here at Speonk Station on eastern Long Island, about 70 miles east of New York City, so make that about 105 or so kilometers east of New York City. We'll move up here a little bit so we'll see where my friend gets off the train. This is usually a 4-car double-decker train, and those Kawasaki C3 bi-level passenger cars. Hi Mary, how are you? Welcome. I'm in Speonk, Long Island at the Long Island Railroad Station, and we're waiting for Long Island Railroad train 2734 to arrive. It's pulling in now. We have a guest from Florida coming in on this train from New York City to visit us. So let's hope that there's no problem finding her since she's a stranger to these parts and everything. Oh. And what a surprise of surprises, that was my young friend Mary, who's the engineer on this train today. People still getting off. Oh, okay, and I see my friend Carol. I hope this is her. Ah, yes. Jean, I hope you're watching this. Jean, I hope you're watching this, sweetheart. Hi, my dear.
Good to see you.
Oh,
I'm like scanning everyone.
Oh,
here.
that's all right, fine. I was all over it. Let's get you in the truck, though, because it's a little cold. All right, I'm going to shut down everybody, and we'll see you next trip.